Okay, for this lesson we're going to have to refer back to the lesson on a holding circuit for our basic motor control. You'll have to look at the ladder diagram, and this is actually how it's going to work in industry. So we got to get power to our switches. We're going to go to a stop switch first so we could kill the power when we shut it off. Then from the stop switch we're going to go to the start. And then from the start, I'm just going to show you this a little differently here for a second. And then we're going to go to a light. And then from the light, we need the neutral. And remember, L2 is actually the neutral when we're doing diagrams like this. So right now, when I hit that start button, that light should come on. And it does. Now we got to think about this. If this is a motor in a factory, the only way that motor is going to work is if I keep holding that button in. We're not paying anybody to hold the button in all day. So what we're going to do is we are going to add a holding circuit. So what we're going to do here is around the circuit itself, we're going to take this here from the light and actually put that on the control relay. And then from the control relay, we got to go back over to our neutral. So what we have here is when I hit that start button, we should actually hear that control relay energize. Now it is energizing. I'm not sure if you'd be able to hear it from the camera, but we will actually also add a light to that, and we will do it as the green light for start. This way I know when a control relay energizes that the green light's going to come on. Alright, so what we want to do here is listen for it again, and it definitely is coming on. So when the control relay energizes, we have the green light coming on. So think about that as my motor, and when the motor is running, the green light will be on. But I don't want to be holding that button in the whole time. So what we have to do from there is, the holding circuit is the normally open contactors of the control relay. So when that energizes, they actually close. So the holding circuit actually goes around the switch. So as you can see, I put it on one side of the start switch and then on the other side of the start switch. So now when I hit that button, now the green light stays on and I don't have to hold the button in. And to de-energize it, I just hit the stop button, and then it, opens the coil back up on the control relay, stopping the power from going through. So start, motor would be running, stop, motor shuts off. Now we could actually easily add a motor to that by going around the light. So from the light to the motor, then we add the neutral from the motor, like I said, to L2, because remember, motor control L2 is your neutral. So now when I hit the start button, the motor will run. And as you can see or hear it, the motor is actually running. And then when I hit the stop button, it'll shut off. And that's it for today.